With AiCE, a gym is a file and a collection is a folder. To add gyms and collections to my AiCE account, I will simply open up the AiCE app, make sure I have the Gyms tab open, and then tap the plus sign. What kinds of gyms or files may I add to my AiCE account? Well, all of these kinds. YouTube/Vimeo videos, videos recorded with AiCE, videos recorded separately and then uploaded to AiCE, images, links, AiCE page gyms, schedulers, AiCE text gyms, PDFs, and Canva gyms. All of these different kinds of gyms are stored in an AiCE account. The question becomes, how does one go about getting them in there? Well, it couldn't be easier. Let's start with the first kind of gym on the list, a YouTube gym. AiCE users generally love YouTube gyms because AiCE eliminates the ads and the suggested videos so that users can send out YouTube videos with confidence and know that the recipient is only seeing what the AiCE user wants them to see. Oh, and the views still count towards the video's total views. To make a YouTube video gym in AiCE, I find the video I'd like to use, I tap Share, tap Copy Link, switch back into AiCE, make sure I am still in the Gyms tab, tap the plus sign, choose YouTube Gym, name my YouTube video gym, and then paste the video URL into the video URL box, tap Save, and there it is with the rest of my gyms. Now that I've added my first gym to my AiCE account, I'm going to go ahead and create a collection in which to put that new gym. A gym is a file and a collection is a folder. Creating a collection within AiCE is as easy as tapping the plus sign and then collection. Now I can name the collection, add an emoji, and tap Save. There's the new collection right there. To move gyms into the new collection on my phone, I simply tap and hold until a box appears in the corner of my gym. Notice that similar boxes appear on other gyms and collections nearby. Once I have tapped the gyms I would like to move, in this case, we only want to move the one YouTube gym, I can choose to move any gyms with a check mark by tapping here and then finding the collection I would like to move my gyms into. Returning to my initial gym tab screen, you can see that I have two collections, the AiCE Academy collection and the Awesome collection that we just created. Easy. Today we learned that with AiCE, a gym is a file and a collection is a folder. We've created a YouTube gym and a collection in which to store that gym. Next time we will take a look at another of the AiCE gyms, the image gym.